Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. You guys, just as a thumbnail said, how do you know when to buy and when to sell in the market? Now you guys, specifically, this is going to be on the futures market. This is going to be trading the 2-minute time frame, which is my favorite time frame to trade. And I'm going to show you exactly how I specifically trade this to consistently be able to make a couple $100 in the market each day. And this is something that you can implement literally within minutes to your own chart, and you guys can start seeing these results as well. So I want to break this down step by step for you guys and show you exactly what I look at in the market and how we're able to be successful. So the first thing that I want you guys to look out for, this linear regression that's on here, this is going to populate telling you whether you're heading in a bullish market momentum or bearish market momentum. Now, not only that, this is going to give you different levels. Now, you guys can tell this green level on the bottom, this is your buying zone in the market. This is where you want to be looking to go long in positions. This top red area, this is your selling zone in the market. This is where you want to be looking to go short. So that's the first thing I look at. I then draw my attention to this dashboard up here. I've highlighted these areas specifically so we can go over all the metrics that are in combination right at these areas, and which is why we end up getting a buy signal at such a good area and also a sell signal right before the market ended up selling off. Now let's go over the buy signal first, and then we'll dive into the sell signal second. So you guys, this buy signal, there's 3 metrics that have to be in line for a buy signal to be illuminated and also a sell signal. But on the buy signal, you have to have this white line. This is going to tell you guys money that's either flowing into the market or out of the market. You guys can tell why this is going to the upside. That is typically when price likes to see an increase as well. So you have one of your 3 metrics. The second one are these green and red dots. Now, if you're heading in a bull market momentum, this is just as simple as green light, red light. When this is green, this is a key EMA crossover to the upside right at this area specifically. So that's just an added confirmation saying that you could see a push higher. Now, this middle band is going to be your saving grace to stay into trades longer. The biggest problem that a lot of traders have is you're not just necessarily getting into trades off of buy and sell signals. It's how long do I hold a trade? So I'm not just going for a small bit of profit in the market, and I can expand that profit even higher. What this middle band is telling you guys is overall market momentum. So when this is all green, what happened to the price right after this buy signal? This is where this actually stayed green the entire time until it switched over right to red. So you could have entered this trade right here at 459175, and you could have played this all the way up to this level here of 460650. Now that is a lot of profit trading here on the 2-minute time frame. And those are the metrics that have to be in combination for a buy signal. What you can do too is you can keep an eye out for this top red level here to say, all right, this is a spot where I could potentially be taking profit. Now inversely, for sell signals, it's the exact same thing but reversed to the opposite side. Money has to be flowing out of the market for this to be a good quality trade in my opinion. You then want a red dot, key EMA crossover at this specific area, and the middle band, you guys can tell right here, what happened this entire time? This stayed red. Yes, there's a couple green dots in here, but overall, what is the actual color? It's red. So if these are red and you're entering on candle close, this is where you want to draw down into the market until you see a shift. Now, when did you see the shift? Right here. This is when it went more solid green. This is where you could have got out of the trade. You guys, following these simple metrics in the market, this dashboard is going to tell you all 3 of the main metrics. So money momentum, key EMA crossovers, and overall market momentum. And then this linear regression is going to tell you overall the direction that you're heading. So for example, this is based off of the past, I think I have this at 100. So under inputs, I want you guys to put 100. If you're trading on the 2-minute time frame, you're looking to scalp in the market. If you're looking to take out a couple $100 either before work or at lunch or after work, these are the settings that I want you guys to use. This is simple market metric indicators. You guys can find a link to it in this description below, but I want to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at in the market and how I'm able to be profitable trading the futures market. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will get back to every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for following. Please do like and subscribe this video. I do live trading throughout the entire week, recapping the entries and exits that I do on the E-mini futures and keeping track of my track record of how we're successfully able to trade. Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day.